Good evening. Play and video and answer to question. Who is your closest friends? How did you meet? My close friends more than one. He is only one. He is called Manuel Domingo Cuello Martinez. I met him about 5 years ago. When we started studying in the Normal Superior of Colorado. How many friends do you have on social network? I only have WhatsApp and Facebook. In my WhatsApp, I have 44 friends added, and in Facebook I have 245 friends added. Who were your friends when you were growing up? The truth is I have always had few friends. In my childhood, I only share with my beloved cousin. They are Lilibet, Amada, Shirley, and Lucelis. Later in the high school, I have a friend named Vera Escudero. She was a great friend, the only one that I had in my school life. Do you have any friends that have exciting life? Explain why. No, not really. I already said I have few friends. And the closest one is Manuel Domingo Cuello because he doesn't have an exciting life. His routine is work from home, work. She doesn't practice any sport. They doesn't go in the trip. Currently, he doesn't orgy party. In practice, doesn't share time with many people in the social aspect. The most exciting thing he does is being a choreographer and leader of a dance group that performs as different folkloric and cultural events in my municipality and other neighboring municipalities in Sucre and Córdoba. Thank you.